No matter you are a new seller or an old seller, you might face many issues regularly in your Amazon selling journey. Sometimes your listing will not be visible on Amazon. Sometimes you can face any issues with your shipment, that your shipment has arrived to Amazon warehouse, but your inventory is still not showing active on Amazon. Or sometimes you can get some issues with your listing variation, and so on. So these kind of small or big issues you can face in your daily life if you're an Amazon seller. So the problem of all this solution is talk to a seller support agent of Amazon who can look into your issue and guide you how to solve it. Or sometimes they can forward that issue to the technical department of Amazon and they can solve by themselves if it's a bug from Amazon or so. So in today's short video, I'm going to walk you through step by step the whole process that how you can talk to Amazon seller support from the two available ways. Number one way is from email, like you can just type your problem and you can just email them. But this is a slower way and you might get their reply within 12 hours. But if there is an urgent problem and you want to talk to their seller support agent instantly, then you have to use the second way, which is call. Yes, you can make Amazon seller support agent call you to listen to your issue and they can solve the issue right away. So this video is going to be super important for you if you are an Amazon seller. So keep watching till the end. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So when you're on your Seller Central, from top right corner, you can see this help button. When you click on that help button, so you can see that this is the place where you can talk to seller support. So when you go down, so you can see three options here: seller forum, need more help, case law. So seller forum is a different thing, like when someone faces any problem, so they can discuss openly. So in future, some other people that might have the same problem can come here and read their question and answer and might take help from them. But right now we are not going to discuss this option. We are going to discuss second option, which is get support. And on the third option, launch case, you will be able to see all the previously opened case that you have talked to Amazon. So for example, if you have opened a case in a past and you still need that in future, so you can see that case from the third option, which is launch case law. So right now in this video, we are only going to talk about how we can contact seller support. So when I click on get support button, it is asking me that for which reason I have to contact support. Like I am having an issue with the PPC campaign or advertising, or I am having issue with my Amazon account, like issue with listing, issue with variation or any other thing, or maybe inventory. So let's suppose we are having issue with our inventory, so we can click on first option, selling on Amazon. After clicking on that, we have to describe the issue in detail here, like hi support. So after typing your problem or message here, you have to click on continue. And from there, you have to click on my issue is not listed. Make sure to follow these steps with me if you wanted to hear back from Amazon soon. Otherwise, they will reply you very late. So you don't have to click on these three options. You have to click on my issue is not listed. And from here, you have to click on FBA related because our issue right now is related to FBA. And when I click on continue, I have to click on I don't have an identifier. Even you have the ASIN, you don't have to put here, you have to click on I don't have identifier. And when you click on continue, now here you have to type the heading of your issue, like you have to describe your issue in 1 or 2 words, like inventory not showing active. And here you have to click on email, you have to put your email and you have to click on send. So by doing so, your message will be forwarded to Amazon seller support and they will read your message and they will get back to you after 12 hours. But if your issue is super urgent and you want the support right now, you have to click on this phone button and here you have to type your number and click on call me now. So by doing so, any of their seller support agent will call you right away in 15 to 20 seconds. So you have to click on call me now and wait for their call and tell them all of your problem so they can solve your problem right away. And one more tip I want to add it here. Before clicking on this call me now button, make sure you have all the information about your error or technical issue. Like if you are having some problem with any particular listing or particular ASIN or category, you must have to write down all these ASIN, all these numbers, so you can just talk to that seller support agent very frequently and you can just point out the issue correctly. So they can help you and solve that issue right away. So from now, whenever you face any problem with your Amazon account, and if you feel that there is any bug with your listing or any other problem, you just contact Amazon seller support right away with the method I have just teach you right now. So you don't have to waste a lot of time by troubleshooting the things by yourself. So I hope you liked the video. If you still have any problem with your Amazon account, even for any other topic, don't hesitate to contact me on the comment box below, because I reply each and every comment on my YouTube video. So if you find this video helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.